Michigan's Attorney General says it was more than just an accident.
My office is confident that second-degree murder charges are appropriate for these individuals.
The owner and 3 other workers stand charged with the murder of a young boy who died inside a hyperbaric chamber. And late this afternoon, we got our first look as each was arraigned in the death of 5-year-old Thomas Cooper. 3 charged with second-degree murder and 1 with involuntary manslaughter.
And that comes after the Michigan Attorney General said the clinic where that explosion happened was riddled with issues, including equipment that she says shouldn't have been in use. Victor Williams is live in Troy for us tonight. Victor, none of the 4 had much to say in court.
Not at all, Kimberly and Damon. You know, this was a very quick hearing, but a lot happened in that very short period of time. Oxford Center founder and CEO Tamala Peterson, safety manager Jeffrey Mosteller, primary management assistant Gary Markin, and hyperbaric chamber operator Alita Moffett, all appearing before the judge charged in connection with the death of 5-year-old Thomas Cooper.
This could have been prevented so easily if they only would have followed the manufacturer's guidelines, if they would have followed what is considered basic safety precautions.
Peterson, Mosteller, and Markin are being charged with second-degree murder, while Moffett is being charged with involuntary manslaughter, on top of another count of placing false information on a chart. James Harrington, who is the attorney representing the family of Thomas Cooper, says the charges speak for themselves.
When you're charged with those serious crimes, these felonies, the prosecution has to believe that the evidence that they have is incredibly compelling, it's incredibly strong.
Attorney General Dana Nessel announced the criminal charges for the defendants, saying the Oxford Center deliberately disregarded the safety protocols of both the National Fire Protection Agency and the company that makes the hyperbaric chamber to begin with.
In the course of this investigation, experts on hyperbaric chamber and treatments were consulted extensively, and some horrifying and simple conclusions were reached.
The workers would allegedly dial back cycle numbers to make the machines look newer than what they really were, calling the Oxford Center nothing more than a company that placed dollars over the safety of the people treated.
This business was a pure cash flow, for-profit business.
Now, Peterson was given a high bond amount of $2 million. The others were given bonds in the amount of $250,000 and $100,000. We're going to be hearing directly from some of those attorneys who are right there in the courtroom coming up at 6 p.m. In the meantime, we are live in Troy. Victor Williams, Local 4.
We look forward to your report coming up at 6. Victor, thank you.